My name is Kevin Tully. I'm the owner and founder of Moniker Guitars in Austin, Texas. We build custom electric guitars and basses that you can design online. So I started Moniker Guitars with my good friend from high school. We used to play in terrible rock bands together. Musicians are trying to convey an emotion, convey something about their art, and there's a lot of different ways that that can take shape. So the guitar starts as a 12-foot board of wood, and the first step is the saw. We then grab a template off the wall. We trace out the shape. From there, we take it over to the bandsaw. We shave off any extra material. And then we get it on the CNC machine. Gives it that nice profile cut, nice and smooth on all the edges. And then it's a lot of hand sanding to get it all shaped up. One of the cool things about building guitars is that it's equal parts machine and done by hand. When you're hand sanding, you're able to read the wood a little bit. You know, there's a different grain pattern to every piece of wood. A machine's not going to be able to pick up those differences. A lot of the parts that we're making for the guitar ultimately need to come together at the end, and they need to fit right. You know, cut with precision, polished with precision. If any part of that process is off, you're really gonna see it when it comes together, because something's not gonna fit right. And so it's hugely important that we have great tools to do great work. There's been a lot of fun moments in the paint booth where you're not sure what something's gonna look like. You go in there, you paint it, it comes out looking great, and that's a really exciting moment. The drill is what starts to bring everything together. That's kind of what takes it from a painted piece of wood to a guitar. There's a couple cool moments that come in the build process. The first one is hearing the guitar for the first time. It's kind of like a baby's first words. It's usually not the prettiest thing in the world. It's kind of out of tune. You're still fine-tuning it, but to hear it speak for the first time is pretty cool. You have this moment of the big reveal where the customer walks in, they open the case, and 9 times out of 10, there's a moment of silence. And that's kind of when your heart sort of falls into your stomach, because we've, spent weeks and weeks and weeks with this thing, getting it ready for this moment. But, almost every single time, it's this like sense of awe that they have, that this thing that they saw in the digital world on the computer when they're designing the guitar online is now here as a tangible product in the room that makes noise and does all these things. And it's just this really cool feeling.